Oh my god, I've been muted. Hello, random gaming, random gamer. There's no way I've been muted this entire time, right? Fuck me. That's crazy. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, jeez, what a fucking mess up. God damn. Alright, but hello there. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm just doing some chill coding, you know, nothing too crazy. Hopefully your day's been well. Sir, ma'am, whatever. I'm not sure what you are, so I'm just gonna say it. Right now, what we're doing is we're trying to figure out an idea for a VTuber website, right? So, just to put the story straight, my name is King Bry. This right here is Monami Starling, my little VTuber persona thing that I use to stream. So, I made a hopeful website for her, and explaining all the lore and stuff like that. But the problem is that a lot of websites, you know, we could look at my friend Vix's here. So there's just like usually a one page website, right? And this is done by something called Card. So this is Card, and basically literally just very short, very straightforward stuff. So what I was thinking is if I make something like this, it should be easier to link all of my socials in one place, and I can make it look cool. And then I can have like all the lore located here and everything, so yeah. But one thing we need to do is simply figure out how to do that. And how do I style it? How do I make it look pretty, etc, etc. So hopefully that makes sense. Nevertheless, welcome in. And hopefully you enjoy my yapping. If you have any questions for me, please ask. I like talking about things. I like yapping. That's my entire ordeal. That's why I'm streaming. But yeah. Okay. So, what I did is I copied the website over from another page to this one. I've seen people with those before. You like my avatar? Thank you so much. Yeah, she's awesome. There's a whole lore page and thing about her that I've made, that myself and a bunch of people in my community have made over the years. So, I kind of use her for that specific reason. I don't really just want to make someone new, toss her out the window, you know? So yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, the card thing is mainly like a VTuber thing, but the problem is, it is free, yes, and it's cool that it's a thing, but I already own a subdomain, and there's like pro shit. Like, I'm not a big subscription fan, personally, so like, yeah, I'm okay. I'd rather just make my own. I think it took me like, what, a week to make this Monami website? It took some time, if I remember correctly. But yeah, I appreciate the compliments. That's really nice of you. Thank you. Alright, so let's see here. So this is all the meta stuff. Coding is hard? Definitely is, man. I've been coding for years, and I know a lot of stuff. That's why I'm able to, you know, have fun with this. But yeah, coding is a hard thing. Maybe, like, I usually do more formal streams, usually on today or Saturday. Saturday I have, like, a collaborative stream and reviewing a paper with, like, an actual psychiatrist, so it's gonna be fun. About AI and stuff, but the main thing about coding for me and is, I don't know, it's the fun of making stuff do things on your computer, because that's something that I never thought would ever happen, right? Like, it's just interesting. All right, so let's see. So I'm gonna want to delete this. I'm gonna have the website in another window. I only have 2 monitors, so it's gonna be a bit of a pain in the ass, but we're gonna work through it. All right. So here's what I got so far. I'm gonna fix all this crap, obviously. What I need to do. Okay, so we have socials. So what I'm thinking is a simple description, and then some buttons below it, maybe a picture. Like this picture, you know? Is the paper about how people use... Yeah, it is. Oh, you know about it. Shit. Yes, it is. That's correct. Did you come here? How did you find me? Did you come here from my Twitter or something? Because that's where I posted it. Or my Discord, one of the two. But yeah, it is the paper about therapy with LLMs. There's a pretty big spoiler alert if you read the paper as to what the content will be. But yes, that's what I'm looking at with Lev. So yeah. It's garbage here. Oh my god, my brain is not braining right now. I would find you. That's fine. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll remember. YouTube Shorts, really? Damn, okay, I didn't think people would actually look at those. And, I mean, to be fair, they have gotten, like, the most views. So yeah, but... Yeah, I honestly was, like, figuring out, oh, how do I, you know, put myself out there? Not in that weird way, obviously. But YouTube Shorts is a... Oh, yeah, let me turn on the chat, by the way. YouTube Shorts is great. I'm very happy that you found me from there. Because I was really unsure as to if I actually made stuff that was worth watching. That's just me being a dumbass. Just ignore that. Alright, so let's see. So I think the thing I should be doing... I have an unhealthy addiction. Dude, I have an unhealthy addiction to Reels, man. Or Twitter. It's actually went from Twitter to Reels, so I completely understand you, dude. I actually modded the YouTube app, right? And unironically, it just crashes whenever I run a short. So it's just like, no YouTube Shorts for you. I need to fix that, by the way, but it's... It's probably some of those algos. They are, dude. Except the Twitter one. Twitter one sucks nowadays. I don't know. And the Twitch one. Twitch started like, you know, I don't know if it shows like one person is viewing the stream, but sometimes there's like 5 people chatting on Twitch nowadays, and it doesn't show like 6 viewers, including the broadcaster. So it's like, who the fuck are those 5 people? You know? It shows like 1 viewer, and I'm like, do you think all the chatters are bots or something? What the fuck are you talking about? Alright, so let's make... I think the best way to go about this is to make something simple and then work from there. So let's do that. Well, yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. It's like so fucking stupid. Alright. How do I write a website? Alright, so what we have is the socials, the portrait, the overview, and this. So I'm gonna get rid of the portrait header. It's weird. Maybe those are people without account. No, they had accounts. They are regular viewers. It's just like Twitch just does not think that they're viewers. It's... Oh man, at this point I really could give less of a fuck about the algorithm because I'm busy. I just do not care at this point. Like, if somebody wants to see my stuff, then they can see it. Great, amazing, that's fun. But if somebody doesn't want to see it, then I don't care. Like, I genuinely don't care anymore. But yeah, maybe, or Twitch is just flagging them as a bot for something. Okay, so we got socials. Then what we need to do is make a... So we have a flex box here. So we need to make a button. And then... press. Let's see if that works. Why am I redlining? Okay. What? That's exactly how I felt like I used to stream. I wasn't a VTuber, I just did it. Yeah, fair enough. I actually used to stream Facecam years ago, when I was much younger. But yeah. Okay, so we got a socials button here. So, got something going on here. But yeah, I agree with you. It's something that you do for fun. So, what I need to do is... There's a couple of problems here with this press. The first thing is we gotta center everything in this page. So we have socials, then we need to center this box here, which will allow the buttons to be presented as is, and then we could expand it from there. So to do that, I need to yoink something from my socials inside index. I have a component here. Oops, not showing it. And yeah, I mean, the fun part about streaming is you never know who's gonna show up. It could be someone who's like, oh, you suck, you're terrible, you're bad. And you're like, okay, then why the fuck are you here? Or you have someone who's just really nice and kind, you know? That's what I personally find to be interesting about streaming. So let's get a social button here. So it's just a link with an href. So it's not actually a button, it's just a link button, which is interesting. To be fair, it's just an icon. So what we can do instead is grab a UI element from the website itself. I can find the damn website. So if we go to my website here, you can see that I have these buttons already. So what we could do is we could just yoink these buttons from these cards here, and then just repurpose them for my nefarious deeds. I don't fucking know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I was just checking that out. You're checking my website out? Yeah. I mean, it's not localhost 3000. You like it? Thank you. Yeah, I made it back in 2020. I actually made it back in 2020. This was COVID years, as you know, for like a project, just like a random project. Like, fuck it. My friend made a website. I want to make one too. So I did, and I've been building on it ever since. It has like all my apps, all my, you know, all the stuff I want to share. It has Monami on it now. The difficult part is like linking IRL to non-IRL, but we'll leave that alone as is. Okay, so let me actually move myself around. Also, if the music is too loud or anything like that, just please let me know, because I am not listening to it. The problem with copyright is specifically that. Alright, why is my... I don't understand why Winter is yelling at me, to be honest with you. Because, like, it's fine. Okay, so we got this here, which is working like it should. Music is good? Sweet. Alright, thank you. So the button looks fine. I don't know why it looks like why the linter is yelling at me, because it shouldn't be. No? Let me just see something here. So the problem is that we have the div with all of the stuff that's necessary. Like, it has all of the box and everything. But the problem is that this button is causing it a linter error for some reason. I don't know why. Let me just fix. Okay, and then... Oh, I know why. So I have spaces to 2. Indent using spaces, set this to 2, and there we go, that's fixed. Okay. So that's nothing, that's not ESLint related. Good to know. Alright, fix this. So we have this. We can copy here. Okay, I think we have that already, actually. I'm just stupid. Alright. Yeah, I think there's a parent. I don't think that matters at the moment. Let's just make this a Twitch button. So, Twitch. Okay. That's what Twitch looks like. So here's Twitch. Okay. Now we need to make another button. Now we just need to make, like, spam these buttons, basically. Welcome to web dev, where it's literally just putting HTML tags in and praying that works half the time. I really need to learn, like, more about the web. I know a lot more about application development, not web dev. Like, web is like a foreign thing to me, to be honest with you. So, app dev is more of my style. I work on iOS stuff, or quote-unquote work, because I'm busy as shit nowadays, but we don't sweat the details, you know? Okay, so hover, background purple, 100. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So you can see that when I hover, it changes that. So what we want to do is when we hover, it changes the color and the border, so it looks like this Twitch purple black type of thing, if you know what I'm saying. So let's make that happen. Let us make that happen. And the library I'm using for this is called Tailwind CSS. It basically is a bunch of classes that you declare inside your HTML tags, and it applies all of the dumbass CSS crap for you, which is super nice. I can't even begin to tell you how nice it is to use that type of stuff. But yeah, let's make this https twitch.tv, the place you're watching the stream right now. Wow. Very cool stuff, you know? So it's gonna go here. Replace... Oh, okay, fuck you, man. I YouTube. So we're gonna make my YouTube URL. youtube.com/kingbry. Okay, and then my Twitter URL. So then that's just Kingbry first again. And if anyone is confused, hold on. If anyone's confused about like the tags and stuff like that, let me know like what everything looks like here, because like it's just, I'm a complete noob at everything, just got into Python, but always wanted to make my own website. Have you used Claude or any other LLMs? My channel, you know, I've done a ton of LLM projects actually. I do use Claude, but I don't use it in the way you think, right? My advice when it comes to learning new things is to build it yourself, right? Build as much of it as by yourself as you can, because otherwise you're gonna get stuck. Like, you're gonna find something. You're gonna over-rely on the AI for no reason. The AI should be what Stack Overflow used to be. You know, a resource. A place to look up things. A place to, you know, be like, hey, I don't know this. Let me just search it on Google and look at the first result. That's what Claude should be. Right? I coded all of this stuff myself. In fact, I'm doing it right now. And vibe coding is something that is not a good idea in my opinion. But if you want to get started with coding, 100% recommend reading tutorials, watching videos, writing examples. You know, it's not going to be good at first. You're going to be stuck. It's going to be hard. And now in the age of AI, you get to, you know, get all the information just by asking a question in terms of your code base. So it's very useful, but you also need to use it right so you can learn. Hopefully that makes sense. Doesn't, let me know, but... Oh, yes, yes, I have the thing. Oh, yeah. Make BG Twitter and BG... Oh. I think it's just red. There we go. Sweet, 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 sweet. Hey, there we go, buddy. Hell yeah. So Twitch, YouTube, and Twitter. True, I've been mainly using like a tutor. OpenAI's Codex thing. Yeah, it's a cool tool. Again, but don't rely on it way too much because it's just gonna hurt you more than help you. Let's see what I did here. How did I get rid of the the underline? Fuck, I completely forgot actually. Okay, let me actually go to a work card here. Ah, okay, so we're going to... Yeah, exactly. AI should be a tutor. Should be like, hey, here's something that you could do. It's great, it's interesting. But yeah. Why am I so stupid? How do I fix this? How did I make the link like that? Also, why does the color look like this? Did I mess something up here? Let me fix that. Place this in here. Let's make hover BG Twitch. Oh, fuck. Okay, so like that. No, it still makes this weird purple haze thing. Is that what it looks like on my... No, it's a deep purple. Why the fuck is it hazy? What the hell? Huh? Excuse me? Comprende? My good sir? Okay. I guess we'll worry about the Twitch button later. Let's just make one button work, I guess, and then figure it out from there. What in the actual hell happened there? So it works fine on my social links. Oh shit. Why is there some padding on top here? It's even more questions that I want to ask. EX6, PY6. Oh, that's why. Is that it? Yeah, okay, that was it. It's just the margin there. Okay. So we get rid of that. We have the border. It's nice. The border is white right now. So what we're going to do is when we hover over it, it's going to change the text from... We could change it from white to black. And then make it... Oh, shit. Okay, I have ideas. I don't know if I should act on them, though. Okay, fuck it. Let's just mess around with it. So hover is a red background. YouTube is here. Border is white. Padding 2, rounded, etc., etc. And then we have the hovering over here. The text turns into black. Unfortunately, it's not because the link is there, so let's just make it a paragraph instead. The YouTube. There we go. So it's gonna look like this. Maybe I want to change the opacity on hover because it kind of looks a bit clashy right now. But yeah, here's what it looks like at the moment. Okay, so let's copy these. Hey Shadow, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome back. I'm doing well. I'm just working on some stuff. Not too crazy. How are you doing, my good sir? Okay, so Twitter. Hey, there we go. It looks nice. I actually like this. There's what it looks like. So YouTube, Twitter, and YouTube. Yes, YouTube, Twitter, and YouTube is such a good option. Oh, jeez. Let's make that switch. Alright, let's see if that works. Twitch, Twitter, YouTube. Yay, beautiful, fun, cool, awesome, sick, nasty. I don't know what else to say. Oh! Oh, I actually don't use the Twitch color for my Twitch logo. That's why it looks like shit. That explains a lot, actually. Fuck. Oopsie. Whoops. That's not what I want. That's not what I want to happen. Hold on a bit. Hold on a second. EG. Yeah, there we go. Hey, that looks much better. Alright, so how do you guys like this? You know, you hover over it, it changes the colors to stuff like this. I don't know. I think it looks nice. I'm a little frustrated right now. I can't get my program to do what I want. I don't have that long until I need to prepare. Oh, man. Looks pretty? Thanks. Yeah, Shadow, good luck with that, dude. I mean, one way to accelerate it, right, is to any, like, breaking bugs, just ask Claude or, like, any AI as to what the hell is going on. That's what I do, personally, but it's up to you. Like, in the event that I ever need to ship something, which I'm a hobbyist developer, thank the Lord that I don't need to ship anything, but in the event that I do, I just use Claude, like, hey, something's fucked up here, can you help me fix it real quick? And he's like, oh yeah, bet, I got you. And then it's like, you're like hugging and doing stuff together. Hugging, having a friendship, walking through the park. But anyways, I understand crunches, man. Yeah, good luck, dude. Hopefully I can provide you some little background noise or entertainment while you're busy with your little crisis thing. Ah, gosh. Alright. So we got the text black, duration, 200. I wish I could, but I'm developing a completely new algorithm that AI... Of course, that's what it is. Oh god. It's like me developing apps in Swift UI, right? Like, AI does not understand the intricacies of Swift UI. It only understands Python and JavaScript really well. Oh, I hate ad breaks, stupid ass thing. But, yeah, let's just let that run. If you guys are bypassed by the ad break somehow, well, welcome! Anyways. But, yeah. It's just like, AI can go take you so far. Random Gaming Sir was asking about that previously, and he was like, yo, how does the AI stuff work? I'm like, don't rely on it as a crutch, because, and another thing, it can't help you all the time, so yeah. Anyway, since an ad break is going on, I'm gonna take that time to, you know, lock in, guys. Let's see. So border what? Right, so the buttons look good. What I want to do next is put a logo within them, so let's do that. So, how did I do this with the SVGs? So I have a social button, so let's go to that definition. So simply just a href, the label. How do I get the SVG in is the question. Oh, I see. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah, use bootstrap icons, that's right. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Alright, that's what I did with this. Okay, ads gone. Great, thank you. Thank you, Twitch, for being such a butt. Random Mr. Gamer told me, but I was actually streaming muted earlier for like 10 minutes. That was the best part. I love it when I stream muted. Oh god. Alright. So now what we need to do, it happens, yeah. I've actually never really done that before, except for like, I guess the first couple of streams, kind of like a throwback to the fact that I did it in so long. Oh my god. Also, I would like to offer you guys a trade offer. If I get some of this stuff done tonight, are you guys down for seeing Silksong gameplay? Thoughts? Because I've been, you know, getting my Silksong gaming in because, like, I really need to. I mean, I don't necessarily need to, but it's more like I want to. So yeah, the possibility, you know? You're down? Bet. YouTube.com/ You're making your own website? Why not use it like a tool? Yeah. It's literally just because I want to make one. That's it. Like, the ultimate flex of developers, especially open source ones, is to make their own website. So it has like a little bit of sentimental value for me because I started making this. I told Random Gamer here, but I started making this website in 2020, and I've just been carrying it through then. So I never really wanted to use like a website creator like WordPress, not Vix. Thinking about artist Wix or Card is the one that most VTubers use because I don't know, man. Like, too easy, dude. It's too simple. So you wanna know what I want to do instead? I want to be a masochist. I want to use React, and I'm like, you know what? We make our own. Hopefully that explains a lot more as to why I'm totally sane. Oh Jesus, what the hell happened here? All right. You figured, yeah. I think you get me at this point. As to, like, you know, I'm a crazy person. Okay, so one thing is that the link is still showing visited, so something is up here that's making it possible for that. So we're gonna copy over the social button. I feel like once I fix this, it should be much easier. YouTube, here we go. Oh, jeez. Got some stuff in my throat. God. Being around sick patients is fun. Look at how this the fucking YouTube logo. Ah, yes. Very beautiful button. Okay, we're gonna fix that. Oh, God. That looks hideous. What actually I want to do is I want to have this, and then I also want to have YouTube next to it. And I have just not had the motivation. I feel that, bro. I haven't done front end in ages, bro. I haven't done front end in ages because, like, I've been busy. I've been working on Tabby and shit. I mean, not anymore, but you know, I've been working on Tabby and shit. I've been working on stuff, man. It's just like, but yeah, it's always good to go back to stuff that, you know, is a passion project. Let's make a new Flexbox because I'm a lazy ass. What we want to do is we want to make a div, and I think the better way to handle this is to make a div like so. And then we have the other div. Like that. And then we could toss in the YouTube stuff in here. And the reason why I'm doing this is purely for separation purposes. One sec, I'll read that in a second. Okay, so that's working as is. Okay, let me read that. But on my submission for an assignment with just text, the tool provides direct access to the HTML of the submission. I spent like 30 minutes trying to color it pretty colors. Oh my fucking God. Focus on your work, man. Oh, I fucking... I'm making pretty colors. I kind of vibe with that, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, ooh, what does this look like? Last name is equal to Flex. Let's see what happens. Ah, there we go. It's getting there. It's getting there. Close. Fix the quotations. I don't know. Is it just me? Or do most JavaScript devs use single quotes for strings? Like, I'm a double quote person, but I like double quoting things. But a lot of people I know, they're like, oh, you have to use single quotes. I'm like, why? Well, it's not like a string is a word in quotes. No, in like every other language. Why do JavaScript people are like, oh yeah, single quotes are better? Like, what? Why? I like my double quotes. Don't judge me. Or I'll be mad. And I'll cry. You don't want that, do you? Maybe you do. Maybe you're a masochistic. I don't fucking know. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's big. That is the wrong thing, my friend. Let's do MR3? I don't fucking know. Yeah, that works. Okay, so if we do a simple MR, that should do it. Then class name, we're gonna make this a new index.css. If I can find it. Oh, it's in here. Okay. The reason why I have to do it this way is because class name, so for some reason, isn't inheriting on the SVG. Weird. Yeah, otherwise... otherwise it's tiny. Look at how tiny it is. Oh my god, so cute. I'm so lazy that hitting shift is too... Damn, that's crazy, bro. Bro does never heard dialogue. You need to talk to it. I don't like single quotes to string is a good few, like... Yeah, right? Like apostrophes and stuff. Dude, like if you're trying to write something like apostrophe, there's like a special, like, and apos, I think it's called, or something like that. Wait, see if it works here. If I do an apos, or no. Fuck, what is it called? Shit. But there are like special characters in front end they usually put in because it can get confused with apostrophes. It's weird. It's like, oh yeah, we added this thing and now we're adding something to fix the said added thing, you know? Alright, so let's make this hard button. Make the width like 1 rem. I don't know. Then we make this card button. The button. Oh shit, maybe I need to rebuild the website here. Ugh. Jeez, let me just close all my other VS Code windows. 1 second, guys. Okay. I might need to reload the website because I need to reload the CSS. Or maybe I'm just stupid and that's not how it... Or maybe the CSS just isn't taking. Yeah, it's just not taking. Okay, well... Fine, fine. You wanna play that way, huh? You wanna play that way, not wise guy. An idiot. Dumb, stupid. What is going on here? So the class is called card button. And then we have this. In which it's still not resizing. Which is very confusing considering that I just added the card button class to the YouTube icon. Okay, so that fixes it. Let me go into inspect. Then we're gonna go to application. Not application. If I do host it. Hold on. There you go. You can find all that stuff here. My website is online and it is 100% live. Where's my CSS? Oh, jeez. Where are you? Okay, so in here... There's something else, this is something else, this is something else. Okay, so the CSS is here. Oh, what the fuck? Blog post A visited. Interesting. There might be something I'm missing here. For the link, at least. What do I host on Vercel for free. If I switch my website over to Vite, then I'm gonna be hosting it on Netlify probably, but not Vercel. But yeah. Sorry, that's what I currently use. Damn it, where is the CSS class that I was looking for? Oh, here we go. Okay. So contact button. Okay, so we have the correct stuff. Now what I need to do is add card button, save it. Okay, it's here. So then why is the SVG not resizing now? Oh, it's because of the... Oh. That's why. Yeah, okay, I'm just dumb. Alright. Got it. So, here's what I did wrong, right? So let's look at the CSS here. I'm just gonna look up the definition of rem units. Just to clarify my own stuff. So rem is is a relative unit, meaning that it works relative to the previous element. So if we set it to 1 rem, for example, it's going to just resize to the original size of the image. If we set the width and height to 2 rem, though, it's going to double the size so that it can be responsive across different devices. Now, the thing about responsive websites is that let me just go back to the browser here. So if we go to my main website, right? This is my... Actually, let's go to Monomi's website just to showcase how good it is. So this is Monomi's website, right? And what we do is I'm going to go into the mobile mode. And you can see it shrinks everything down. And as we spread it out, everything just adapts to that responsive design. So that's what responsive design really is. And the gallery is right here. Looks pretty and shit. The gallery, ideally, if it has enough, it could just like scroll by itself inside the thing. But yeah. Another thing, like... So, I was wondering if you guys would agree with this. Let me know what you guys think, okay? So we have this Monomy page already with the lore and everything. And do you think I should just put all the socials here? Or should I continue making this like socials one single page website thing? Because I was debating on whether or not I should do that type of stuff, but I could just make these buttons and then toss them, oops, in a row, like over here, like below the overview page. So it's still in view, but it also, I could downsize the portrait a bit and it'll fit much better. Like, let me just, what do you guys think? Like, should I inline it here or should I just continue making the separate page? I could do either. I don't really care. I'll let you guys decide. But for now, I'm just going to keep working on these buttons because that's going to be common between both designs anyway. The same page. Okay, so we have the same idea. Good to know. It's something I just thought of because I was thinking like, oh, I'll make a separate website. But like, maybe not. Maybe not a good idea because I already put so much effort into making the page as is. Make it have its own flair. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. We'll do that. We'll do that then. Thank you. I always like asking the chat, like, yo, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, you know? For this portrait, fun fact, I actually took a picture of... I just took a random picture of VTube Studio, and that's it. Oh, man. So, yeah. Also, let me know if you... The socials are usually what I want to see. Yeah. So, on my website, I have all the social buttons here. Now, the question then becomes, do you want me to reuse these social buttons? To be honest, I don't think so. I don't think it's a good idea. I think I'm just going to use the big buttons. But I could just use these social icons for like YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Twitch, YouTube. Actually, what do you guys think? Actually, you know what? Let's do this then. So we'll try and see if these buttons will work, but here's what I have originally on my website. Right here. So then the question becomes, so we have a portrait. We're going to downsize this portrait a bit. It's a bit too fat. It's a bit too chunky for my liking. I know she looks amazing. She looks great. She looks happy, but we need to downsize her a bit. I'm just calling my own character fat now. God. Alright, so I'm going to be distracted for a bit, but let's see what it looks like when I just add the social buttons into the Monomy website. Okay. Let's see. So head, div. Description, image, here we go. Oh, okay, so I set the width to some really whack stuff. What the fuck? She's so small. She is so tiny. Oh, okay. I'm gonna change this to the background. Let me just... 4 out of 12. Oh, big boy. 3 out of 12. Ooh, actually, I like this more, honestly. She looks so goofy when she's so... Let me try and make it even smaller. Wait, how small can I make it? Let's see. I can only be out 12. It's like barely visible now. Oh my fucking god. Alright, I'll keep it like this for now. I just remind me not to commit it like this. Please make sure I don't commit it like this. I'm actually gonna cry if I do. Not really, but you know what I mean. Text blue 300. Then socials. Should I say links? I don't know. She's so cute. Thank you. Oh man. If you want to know who, you know, made her, then like look at the credits in the About Me section. I have to obligatorily say that so that people don't come after my ass, but yeah, that's what's there. Okay, let's make a social button. Then actually wait, no, I'm actually stupid. I literally have a thing here. I have a bunch of... Oh, I'm not showing it. I have a bunch of functions for this shit already, so let's just get a YouTube button. Oh, speaking French there. Oui, baguette. Alright, so YouTube button. Then Twitch button. Oh shit. Then Discord button? Yeah, it works. And then finally, Twitter button. Here it is. I still call it Twitter, by the way. I don't want to call it X ever. Here's what oh shit, don't open that. Here's what it looks like. Oh, it looks so cooked. Okay, so let's fix that. So what we need to do is we need to encase this in a div. Because right now it's a list. I don't know why it's a list, to be honest with you. Why is it doing that? The fuck? Let's enclose this in a div. I think it might just because of the inherited stuff, which is making it look like that. That's kind of stupid, but yeah, let's fix this. Okay. Nope, it did... Oh, okay. Oh, chill, buddy. Alright. Still a list. But why? But why, though? Why is that the case? Why are you doing this to me, my friend? Oops. Class name... equals... flex. We're gonna flex on them haters, you know? Oh, okay. So it went from a bulleted list to a horizontal bulleted list. Oh my god, web dev is amazing. Dude, what the fuck, man? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna be cheating a bit. I'm just gonna make the... Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm just gonna cheat this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to my index here. I'm gonna find the socials component. I'm just gonna yoink it, because, like, this is... Why is it making a list by default? Oh, okay, so I make a UL here. Interesting. Okay. So let's just copy this. And then paste it in here. Oh my fucking god. It just made it a list automatically, such... Uh-oh. Oh. Next.js is yelling at me, guys. I made it angry. I made it angry. I made Next.js angry, guys. How do I appease Next.js so that doesn't hate me? Alright, just fix these. Okay, it's still a bulleted list. What the fuck? Wait, actually, what the fuck is going on? Why is it doing that? Okay. Let's make a paragraph. Hello. Okay, so it adds it like that, but why is this a list? It's because the blog post class? Oh boy. I think it actually might be. Hold on. Yeah, I think it is. It's because of the blog post class. That's weird. I need to fix that. Okay, so I need to inherit from blog post. And then I can... Yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna ask Claude a few questions then. Why are these appearing in a bulleted list? Very good question, Bri. Very good. I want to hear from the chat. Very good question, Bri, to ask Claude instead of thinking about it yourself. Let me check the CSS. Sure, go ahead. Alright. List none? Okay. I fixed this by adding the list none tailwind CSS class to the UL element, which removes the default list styling and bullet points. Let's try it. Oh wait, do I have agent mode on? Oh jeez, let me turn that off. Okay. Did not fix it. Fuck you, Claude. Maybe the CSS is wrong. What is the class style here? Let me check. Hold on a second. Blog post. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna show you guys the code here. Fuck me, guys. Oh no, I forgot I did this. Oh lord. So the reason I did it this way, right, was because I actually had a blog back in the day. I posted like a couple of things that I use via, you know, I think I used to use like a CMS, or content management system, for all of my utilities. And then I started hijacking GitHub and GitHub Actions. Then I realized that was a fucking waste of time, because who's gonna view a blog on some random ass website? So what I did is instead I made a Medium blog. And on that Medium blog, I'll show you the Medium blog actually, because it is very, very useful. I made only one post. I made only one post on that blog. And then I realized like, hey, you know what's better than writing a blog? Making videos and streaming my things, because I like yapping all the time. So yeah, that's why now I just have like a legacy blog post class that I use because it just looks nice when I style it. But now it's working against me, which I don't like. So let's see. What's a disk list? Let's get rid of this. List disk. Oh, I got rid of it. Well, shit. Okay, that's one thing solved. The other thing is that I just might have broke everything else. Fuck. Alright. So we got the privacy policy. I don't think that uses any lists. Alright. I mean, if it works, I guess. Sure. I don't know, man. Like, that's certainly something I've somewhat been interested in, you know? Hold on, just checking a couple of things. At least it's working. It's a good sign. So we have Twitter, Discord, Twitch, YouTube. Now what we need to do is center this. So to center it, we need to get a flexbox. And to do a flexbox, we already made a flex in here. So this just like makes a huge box. I'm just gonna make a border actually. So, where are you? Where are you? Yeah, here we go. So, border, solid, border, 2, border, blue, 300, like that. So you can see that the flexbox tries to take up the entire screen. The only issue is all of these items aren't going into the center, so we're gonna have to fix that real quick. I'm gonna get rid of this list none because it didn't do shit anyway. All right. I'm gonna also get rid of this padding because it's not necessary for this case. And we get rid of this paragraph. Okay. So what we need to do is take all the icons in here and put them to the center. All right. Do this. Oops. That's all I want to. We need to just have a bounding box, I think. If I'm not mistaken. So we need like a flex within a flex, if you guys get my jam. So we're gonna copy this div. Just gonna copy this entire thing. It's like very conceptual. I think a lot of like front-end devs use Figma instead of, you know, my entire thing, what I'm doing here, which is just like think of it in my head and be like, you know what? It should work just fine this way. Okay. And that changed jack shit. Okay. Shit. All right. So that changed nothing, which is great. Very helpful in my case. Huh. Let me make another border. Solid border, border, green 500. See what it looks like. Okay, well there's your problem. So the div is doing the exact same thing as the flex, and it's causing it to do this bullshit. Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, so we need to make this an inline. That did jack shit again. Great, fun, awesome. I'm very happy about that. Oof. Okay. Let's just comment out what I have here. I'm gonna do a little bit of programmer's knowledge. Also known as copying and pasting code and see if it works right. Alright, let's get rid of all these buttons here. And see if the social links embeds in the way it should. Okay, it did. Kind of. It's off-center, but it's there. That's weird. Oh, it's because of the padding. That's probably why. Okay, let's get rid of that. Nope, it was not because of the padding. Shit. Maybe it's because of this padding. No, wait, that padding's necessary. Why is it moving to the side? Oh, that's why. Comments out the CSS. There we go. Okay, now it's centered. So, I need to get rid of all this garbage. Oh, there's an ad break starting soon. Great, fun. Awesome. Alright, ad should be starting in a bit. I think we're almost done if we're doing social buttons only. I feel like the social buttons actually vibe more with the website aesthetic in general compared to the full-size buttons. So I think I'm gonna do that instead. It's also nice and compact, which is what I like. So we make an unordered list. Last name is flex, items I'm center, yada yada yada. Okay. So let's get rid of all these lists of applications here, because we're never going to be using this block stuff again. Okay. And honestly, I should probably like make a separate subpage class instead of getting rid of all the blog post things, because it's much better in that sense, you know? God. Yeah, stretch. So there's social links. Let me get rid of this header. Kind of useless. Let's also get rid of this footer here because we don't need that. We can change this div. We're gonna change this to a flex. Nope, that did not work. Fuck me. Alright. So why did that not work? Maybe I could just make another div. Oh shit, that's not what I want to spell it as. Oh jeez. Okay, save this. There we go. Okay. So you need to make a div inside an unordered list. Oh my god, it's so cooked, guys. Holy shit. Alright, so let's try and simplify this code a bit. Make this an inline flex. But it's not making a flex column, we don't need to do that. Let's see what happens when I just do this. Holy, that looks like ass. Okay. There we go, it's stuck. Okay, good. It would have been so bad if it didn't, dude. Oh my god. Oh, man. Let's see. Why do I have padding? Why did I have... That was a great question, because I didn't need it. It's okay. So let's fix the portrait now. I'm gonna make her not teeny-weeny stupid. Make it, like... 4 out of 12 should be good. Hey, there we go. I low-key vibe with this, I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think? Or should I do... Hold on. Overview. socials here. What do you guys think? This is like the first thing you'll see when you load up the website, and then it goes further and further down into like the lore stuff. Does it look weird? Does it look squished, etc., etc.? Just let me know. I'd be down to edit it as needed. Looks good. All right, sweet. I feel like this little part here is a little bit weird, so I might want to look at that. Maybe some padding involved, I'm not sure. What does the card descriptor have? Does it have padding in it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Ugh, what the hell? Why am I getting yelled at? Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Alright, well, looks like it's working as intended, which is a great thing. So we got the class name here. It was nice watching it. Alright, sounds good, Random Gaming, sir. Have a good night, man. Thanks for joining in. Always appreciate it. Hopefully your homework goes well. So we changed that, we changed this. Something is still bothering me, man. Okay, let's just add some bottom padding because it is just bothering the ever-loving crap out of me. That's some padding here. I'm gonna go cross-eye in a second. God damn. I think I like this more. Maybe not, actually. Oh, man, I'm stuck. Fuck. Let me change my Spotify music. Let's do a bunch of classical right now. Where's that artist that person recommended me? It's Christopher something? Oh, Eric Christian, that's the name. Yeah. Sometimes I need some classical to get myself into the zone, you know? Classical music's always good. I highly recommend listening to classical music if you need to focus. Like, it really helps calm the mind. Especially when you're trying to lock in. I've used it sometimes when I've done Anki, and it's very fucking helpful in that sense. Okay. I like the way it looks right here, but when you scroll down, it just gets more interesting. I also need to replace this like the actual logo of Monami, because Monami does have a logo. I need to add it in. But I low-key like this gradient font more because it looks cooler. And it was actually just coded in as opposed to like an asset. I don't know what you guys think, but that's what I think is cool. Alright, so we have the socials, we have the overview. Alright, let's try doing this then. So instead of PB4, just add a simple 4-pad. Okay, yeah, this looks better. Actually. In my eyes, I like this a lot more because it adds a little bit of width. I assume... One second. How do I see the padding? Oh, I know what it is. Okay, that's what it is. So, in the paragraph styles, I think I might have a margin. Yes, I do. Fuck you, man. Okay. There it is. Alright, so... I'm not even showing the fucking... Alright. That's where it is. Okay, so let me get rid of this. Let's see what happens when I get rid of the H1s here. Essentially what I'm trying to do is collapse the website and see what happens when I do it. So I'm just gonna comment all this garbage out. Yeah, okay, that's what it was. So let me show you guys. So when I got rid of the styling, overall styling on the website, it'll automatically fix itself, like so. See? Okay, so I need to fix that. Actually, do I really need to fix that is the question? Because, like, I don't really need to. So there's already a margin on these. So if I get rid of the margin entirely, it's going to look like what I showed before. And then the padding will not be here. So let's make this P2 and see what happens. So it's gonna squish it a bit more. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Okay, we're gonna roll with this. So we're gonna add some padding here. So the padding is gonna be on top of the existing margins spacing. And then we're gonna have our socials listed here. So when you click on them, it's gonna open like my Twitter link, for example, where I'm streaming this. I'm restreaming this right now, by the way. But it's just my Discord link, Twitch, where you guys are, and YouTube, where this broadcast is being archived. So yeah. So let's see what happens when I refresh the page. It's just gonna show this, which is beautiful. Then what it will look like on the phone is just like that. Okay, I like that a lot. What happens when I... Okay, so it's just gonna look smaller. So I'm gonna set this to a iPhone. Yep, that's good. To a 13 Pro Mini, S20, Note 20. There's a Note 20? Wait, what the fuck? Galaxy Note 20. Those are a thing? I thought the Note... I low-key thought the Note series died. Oh, fuck. Damn, they're actually real. They still have the S Pen. I thought these died with, like, after the Note 9, because I've never heard of them for so long. Okay, I didn't know those existed. That's good to know. Alright, sure. Cool. Alright, let me take a screenshot and just ask Claude. And chat, of course, if you guys want to weigh in on how this looks, then please just let me know. I always like hearing unsolicited opinions. And they're not unsolicited at all. They're very solicited. I want you guys to speak out about things that I'm doing stupidly. Speaking of stupidly, my Claude window is being very stupid right now, so let's fix that. Yeah, let me ask it, like, yo, what's good with this website? Is it a little good? How's this look for the star of a VTuber website? If I change, like, the... What is it? If I change the portrait at all, it's gonna look so weird. Or if I just expand the overview. Style foundation. Okay. Subtle animations. Oh, yeah, streaming times. Should I bother adding streaming times? That's a good point, actually. I'm gonna look at some other card websites and see if they add that, or if it's just me that's being a dumbass. Let's see. So, let's see here. This is not my website. Here we go. Look at this idiot's card. Alright. If anyone in chat's got card websites that I can look at, please tell me. Oh, right. Yeah, that works. Oh, fuck. Links. Okay, most of these people just don't have anything regarding... Oh, they do. Okay. Content. Alright. I guess content can be... Yeah, so... What I assume we could do... this is a little bit of a struggle. What I guess we could do is put, like, when I'm streaming below the socials, because, like, in reality, it doesn't matter. It's like, if you want to scroll more, go ahead. If you don't, you don't. That's fucking whatever. I don't give a shit. So, yeah, that's a possibility that I could do. Not 100% sure, though. We'll look into that. So, socials... Demographics. Background. Bluedale, gallery. Oh, fuck. I need to convert to that APNG as well. God. This week has been nothing but crazy. Freaking starting a new rotation now, this shit. Ow. Fuck you. Alright. Twitter, Discord, Twitch, YouTube. I'm just trying to see if there's anything missing right now, so that's why I'm like looking at this like some crazy person. Let's make this a 3 out of 12 image. Low-key, this looks better. Like, it's not too intrusive. Low-key, I like that more. A 3 out of 12 width. So that's like a quarter width. If I can math properly. Let's make a third, actually. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so it makes it that. Oh yeah, it's 4 out of 12. Yeah, I'm stupid. I can't even do simplified fractions, guys. Let's do a line break. Let's see what happens. Streams. Blah, blah, blah. Dumbass. I don't know. Okay, well, I need 2 breaks, apparently. Line break. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I could add something stream-related here. Personality traits, favorite games, content focus areas. So, what do you guys... I also had another idea, because people usually make stream schedules out of, like, art. You know, they have, like, an asset that they just put on Twitter or something. What if, you know, what if I make a interactive schedule? It's ambitious, I know, but I make a sub-site, I make a sub-page of Monami that just has a giant-ass stream schedule on there. I don't know, that would be cool. I feel like that would be pretty sick. Okay. Let me just ask about this. How's this portrait picture versus the other one? Especially the portrait. The portrait on the second image smaller. The first one worked. Okay, yeah, actually, I might be being stupid there. Okay. So let's make this a third width. I think that might be better. Yeah, we're gonna keep it big. We're gonna keep her nice and large. You know, nice and big. For my sake. Alright, so it looks good here. Be larger between the socials header and the icons. Let's see what Claude says. Alright, let's do this then. Fair enough. So let's make this P4 and see what happens. How I feel about it. Instead of P-2. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna roll with this. And then I think I could commit this, because it looks good. So here's essentially what we added. I'm gonna get rid of the card thing, because we're not gonna do that. Thanks to Mr. Random Gamer, who's unfortunately deceased. I'm kidding. We've essentially just fixed a bunch of things here. And we added the social buttons. We migrated them from the socials page to the Monami landing page. And we also resized the Monami image here because it looked kind of, you know, not that great compared to what it was before. It looks a bit too big, so I fixed that. Okay. So now I'm gonna commit this. What did I modify? So I modified PNPM lock was buffed. Fuck. So I edited the styles. I know that. When did I edit the index? Oh right, I can get rid of this. I'll use this. So let's add this. Okay. Oops. Alright, so let's just add a commit that states socials or monami, add socials buttons. Okay. The buttons are now there. We're also probably gonna I can't speak. I'm probably gonna update Next.js to a newer version, which should be much easier to work with. Let's do that. Okay. The hell did I put you? Here. That's why the PNPM lock got updated, because of that nonsense. It's really stupid. I don't know why that happened, honestly. So here's the Twitter button, Discord buttons. Okay. So the next thing we're going to want to add is h2 class name equals, let's just do the text blue. Content. And then we don't think we need another... Oh yeah, we just closed it. Alright, so then... Should I add a card? No, I don't need to add a card descriptor. That makes no sense. Alright. Yeah, we're good there. Alright, so content. Primarily streaming / YouTube. Streams are on Fridays or Saturdays at 9 p.m. EST. I'll fucking know, something like that. Oh, I'm not running the website. Fix that. Oh, no. Okay. Fix, jeez. No, why are you yelling at me? Okay, we're good. Primarily streaming on Twitch. Twitch on Fridays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. EST. I don't know. Something like that. See if that makes sense. Big ass slash. Or we can make it even better. Fridays or Saturdays at 9 p.m. EST on Twitch. Simple. That was easy. Streams on Friday. There we go. So this could be a little placeholder for a button to like the interactive stream schedule thing. So essentially, you click on something and it'll bump you to there, and it'll be like, oh wow, here's my stream schedule for the week, and it just like has all this stuff there. So if I go to someone else's, I'm on, let's go to Lev's thing, because she has one. So we have something like this, right? And we could just make this completely in a website. I feel like that might be a good vibe compared to, you know, having a graphic designer do it, because like, I don't know, I'm not good at graphic design, but I'm really good at UI design. So I could design it in code versus in... But again, don't tell anybody that I said this, of course. Because this is just between you and me, you know? Alright. How does this sound? And should the section... Should a... section even be included? Oh, yeah, that's actually a good idea. So here's what Claude said. So basically it said, we can make a content thing. We can make a bunch of card descriptors explaining what each stream is. That's actually a good idea. Let's do that. Streaming schedule. I like keeping it nice and flowy. Text is Fridays or Saturdays at 9 p.m. EST on Twitch. Okay. Why the hell are you yelling at me now? What did I do? Oh, yeah. That's probably what I did. Oops. Okay. Now slash here. Enter. Then we're gonna make a title. It's just... Okay, so well, that's not what the content type is. Content types... Or what do I have in my Discord? Let's see. So I think I have a simple thing in my Discord talking about the content that I make. Oh my god, I have so much crap in here. Content categories. Do that. And text is development, articles, games, chatting, or sorry, development, articles, medical education, games, collabs, something like that. Okay, so let's see how that looks on the website. Alright. Yeah, I actually like that. Okay, here's what it looks like. Oh, I really like that. Wait, that's pretty fire. Hell yeah. Maybe I can make Twitch a link. I'm not really sure if that's a good idea, though. So, we're not going to do that. What I'm going to do is get rid of this. Yeah, I like this. Fuck yeah. Okay, yeah, this is good, this is good. What else did it say? Yeah, no, the favorite games is stupid. Alright, sweet. Cool. Like that a lot. We also need to make a way to get to this page without having to actually type out the URL, but whatever. We'll leave that alone for now. Content, demographics, background, Bootale, gallery, yada. Sweet. Alright. I keep hitting the Control S button on the browser and it tries to save the damn website. Alright, sure, whatever, you're good. Okay, so let's save this. Alright, so Monomy... Oops. Add stream, add content section. Okay, good. Now let's update Next.js, because I think it's a good idea to do so. Oops, what the fuck? There we go. Next, npm JS, let's see. Next.js? That's not it. There it is. So let's update to the latest version. Oh yeah, we're on React 19 now, I forgot. So Next.js is on 15.1. It's currently on 15.5. Fix that. Alright. It will take its sweet-ass time, because I know it loves to. Let's also run a build and see if that works. Okay. Please don't die. Okay, thank God. Fuck me, it didn't die. Alright. We updated Next.js, which is what we wanted. I think React is good. We have React DOM set. Bootstrap icons are chilling. Okay, I think we're good. Dependencies. Update Next.js. Let's try and run a build and see if that actually works. Oh dear lord. Alright, why am I getting yelled at? Ugh, what the? Cannot find the module. In what universe can't you find the damn module? Okay, good, it worked. Good. Okay, I'm very happy that's working, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Hell yeah. Alright. Good. Let's just make sure it finishes properly without erring. Okay, cool. Alright, so we don't have any SSG stuff. That makes no sense to have. It also looks like an ad break is starting soon, so that's gonna be a fun time for you guys, but yeah. Let's, I I could also add the studying GIF. So let's do that. So I need to convert the GIF to an APNG. Let me look that up. Okay. Oh yeah, I also need to add the EXIF data. Jesus. Do I want to do that now though? All right. I need the EXIF stuff. I don't want to do that, man. It's gonna take so long to do. Fuck, but I'm doing this for that reason. Please. All right, we're gonna make the EXIF stuff work. Fuck it. I don't care. Let's do it. So for those of you who don't know, I can't use a GIF on my I can't use a GIF on my website because it won't allow me to add metadata. So I have to convert it to an animated PNG, which will allow me to add metadata. So that is what I need to do in this case. Fix this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add... I'm going to just go to a website to convert a GIF to an APNG. Sorry. Okay. I'm not going to show this, obviously, because I'm just dragging and dropping stuff at the moment, but... Alright, ad break is starting. Great. Okay. In the OBS stuff, not here. I have all my OBS assets. Here we go. I'm gonna drop this. I wonder if I can just use image magic to do it for me. I don't remember. I can. Oops, didn't want to do that. Resize GIF. Oh dear God, why are you yelling at me? Okay. Oh Lord. Okay. It's 1920 by 1080 right now. Let's make it like 1140. I don't know. See if this works properly. I have no idea. It's probably gonna look like crap, I'm not gonna lie. Because these website reciters are kind of stupid half the time. I might just do it on my Mac when I'm like have some downtime at work or something, because like... That's 70%. We'll see what happens, I guess. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I can't show you guys what it looks like because it's not on the right window. There we go. So let's just finish resizing here. Okay, looks like it's done. Hey, okay, it actually looks good. Sweet. Yeah, it looks perfect. All right, so let me save. Oh, don't do that, actually. Download it. There we go. I'm gonna download it to my folder here. What do I have on my... Yeah, I just have nothing on it. Okay, sweet. Okay. Oh, now it's rendering properly. That's really weird. Alright. Sorry, I'm just fucking killing my eyes real quick. I'm going cross-eyed again. Just making sure that it looks good. Alright, now we're gonna want to convert GIF to APNG. Okay. So simple converter should do the trick. And we're gonna convert. Yeah, that's why I like websites for doing these things, because like it's very nice in that regard. Have it convert over. I feel like dealing with images is one of the worst ways to store things, because like images are images and they have like metadata, but it can be a literal pain in the ass to make it work properly. Ugh. Excuse me? What the fuck? Alright, let's see. It actually did the job I wanted to do. Oh, it does. Okay, it's just that Windows hates me. Alright, that's fair. That's fair. Alright, so let's rename this to... when was this sent to me from Skeb? Let's see. I haven't commissioned any Skebs in some time. I probably should. 9/4, so September 4th. 09/04/25. And what is the name of this person? I completely forgot. It's a Japanese name. I gotta find the actual Twitter. One South 3927. That's Twitter. Dash studying. Okay. I guess what was. Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Okay, good. So I'm not making a mistake in the name. Good. All right, now what I need to do is edit this using the exif GUI. Let me do that real quick. It's gonna be a little hard to show it, but let's just see if it starts yelling at me first. Then we can handle it from there. Open up a folder. Okay. The king site, public, economy, art. Open this. Okay. Let's just open this up. Alright, then... Oh jeez, what the fuck? Here we go. So I have this JSON for the... So I'm just gonna type in what I usually do. Alright, so it looks like... So basically the way I handle EXIF data... So I have the... I just basically make a JSON. Just a minified version. So artist, then social media, like that. Social link, that's gonna be skeb.jp / whatever. Then finally it's gonna be the title, which is studying equations. I don't fucking know. Alright, so that works. Now, inside my Skeb, just copy the URL of this artist. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna lose it. Open the window, you dumbass. Alright, there we go. Let's copy this, paste this here. Studying equations. Artist is this guy. I can't really use Japanese characters because it gets really, really difficult very fast. So, yeah. Where are you? Here we go. Edit data. Paste it. Save. Please work. Ah, jeez. One file wasn't updated due to errors. Why? Why are there errors? What the heck happened? I'm gonna launch this as administrator and see what happens. Maybe it'll be able to write? I have no fucking clue. The... King site. And then public. Economy, art. Open this. I'm not showing it this on purpose, by the way, so I'm just trying to see if it works properly. I got a lot of studying images of Monami, I've just realized. Alright, if it doesn't save, I'm just giving up on this for now. I'll do it on my Mac, because I know it works there. Yeah, it still failed. Okay. Fuck. Alright, so I'll do this another time, because it's not working as expected. Alright, so let's just push these changes. I have 3 changes. What the fuck did I do? Socials, content. Oh, yeah. That's right. So I'm gonna push these. There we go. That's my updated socials thing done. Let's just see if it builds. So my entire website is open source, by the way. So it's all there. Why did it fail? Oh. Okay, wait, let me just check something here. Oh, for... I need to change the node version. Of course I do. Node. What do I call it? How do I switch to node version of the fucking deploy? Oh, in the project settings. Okay, it's fine. Node.js 22 needs to be in there. Add types node. Oh no, wait, I didn't want to do it the let me just check npm and see what that actually is. Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna go to the package. Yeah, 24.5.2 doesn't look right. Okay. Let's see. So I need to update my node types to 22. Let me just check the latest LTS node version. The latest LTS node is 22, and 24 is current. So I'll use node 22. So then I need to see how do I update types node to node 22. Alright, that works. And what about my React types? So we have React 19 now instead of 18. Yeah. This is the one thing I dislike about JavaScript in this case, because it just looks like this nonsense here. Okay, so that's updated. Now I need to change the node version in my project settings in Vercel. Oh shit, don't do that. Let's go here. Get all this bullshit. Settings, here we go. Settings. Should be a Node.js version. Here we go. 22. It's fine. We're gonna save that. Because it literally just successfully built on my Node version, which is Node.js 21. Okay. Probably should update that, but sure. Dependencies. Update node types. Push this. Hopefully this deployment will work and not outright fail on me. Okay, good. It is building now. Good. Alright, let's see if this works properly. I also need to change my username here, so that's why I'm not showing it. Should be done in a few seconds. Problem is that Node.js has so much package bloat that's just ridiculously stupid. Alright, looks like it's creating a build. Also, I like how Vercel uses PNPM now, so it's pretty good. Okay, okay. There we go, it's up. Hell yeah, nice. Alright, so let's see. Just gonna show my capture again. So it looks like this. This is me, right? Yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. We got a new socials page up. Beautiful. We got a little streaming schedule. We got the lore, as always. And we got the gallery. I'll add the new image when I can. Yay, okay. I'm happy. I'm happy that we got this done. Great. Alright, I'm gonna go on a bit of an idle break, and I'm gonna probably fire up Silk Song, see what happens there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, let's change the chat. I cannot speak today, I swear to god. Let's change the category to Silk Song. Fuck it, we're calling it Silk Dog. No, I can't call it Silk Dog, it might violate TOS. Silk Song and getting... getting good. I don't fucking know. Oh my god, I actually misspelled my stream. Wow, I am so out of it today. Holy shit. Okay, well, I will dumb. Now let me fix that. And I won't look dumb. Go. Don't look, now I don't look stupid. So Silk Song. Whatever, I don't really care. Let's just put backseat gaming allowed. Should be fine. Okay, cool. So let's switch over to Silk Song. Because I want to play a bit and you can't stop me, you know? Alright, let me fix this up so it's not on the webcam. Oh, it is my Switch. Okay, sweet. Cool. Then we're gonna want to fix the audio here. Give Am I monitoring it? Oh, that's muted. Oh, God's sake. I'm just gonna download it. This doesn't take that long anyway. I think this is like a Silk Song update. That because the bosses were too hard again for people. Oh my gosh. There we go. That was quick. Okay, never mind. It wasn't as quick as I thought. Fuck me. Alright, we're good. I'm just dumb. Alright, but I've played the game before. Can I get in the damn... Okay. Was this sometimes what Hollow Knight does? It's just like, no, I don't want to play today. I did a full recording of a boss. But now I'm like, you know what? I don't want to post it because I actually muted myself because, you know, I was hard focusing on the boss. And yeah. Alright. Hopefully, is this louder than my audio? No, but it is a little too loud right now, so let me reduce it. So reduce myself because I'm a freaking loudmouth. Okay. So I need to fight some shit. There's a boss that I need, whose ass I need to beat. Okay, buddy. Oh shit, it's that thing. Oh, you... Oh, fuck you, man. Alright. Well, that works, I guess. Fucking blasted steps are so annoying. I made a lot of progress since I last played, so... Where do I go from here? Oh wait, this is literally back to where I was. Okay, it's fine. Let me rest real quick. I already talked to that guy. Like yesterday, so I already know what he said. Okay. He's like, oh, I'm going up now, and it's chill, it's vibing, you know? There's a boss up there, which is ridiculously annoying. Oh, fuck. Okay, whatever, I don't even care. It's fine. Ah, that's how I get up there. Right, okay, so I go here. I have to jump here. I go this way. I jump. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Get out of here. Oh, God. Jeez. Okay, we're good. Wait, so... Oh, yeah, I need to oh, fuck you, man. There we go. I need to sprint it. That's what I forgot. And I could go down here. Here, bell... No! Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead for sure, bro. Alright. Damn it. Oh, I'm fucking cooked. Alright. Okay. Oh god, I almost killed myself there. Okay, so here's the Citadel gate. Let me just get my shit real quick. Okay, I had 26 rosaries. I gotta do something. Alright. Do I find a bench? I probably should before I fight the last judge, because he is a bitch. He sucks. I don't like him. There's a temporary bench. Okay, so I gotta go up. So if I go... I'm looking at a map right now. Okay, I think if I go up and take a different route, it should be much easier. Okay, so let's do that. Probably a faster way. Okay, sweet. What? Can I not get up? Wait, what the fuck? Are you serious? Wait, how the fuck do I get to the other area? See, Sands of Karak. Oh, wait, I know where I am. Oh, I have to go Fuck me, dude. So this bench leads to the Bellway, which allows me to go... Oh, man. You're kidding. Ah, jeez. Alright. I'm gonna have to reset everything, bro. Fuck me. Alright, let me reset this path, because I want to get a safety bench. I think I need one if I'm doing this fight. I could also do an alternate... Oh, no! I could also do an alternate fight. which makes the entire thing easier, but I'll save that for now. Because I just want to get these extra benches. And I also have the bellway anyway, so it's not really a big deal. Okay, so let's go this way. Oh, I didn't have to do that. Okay. Okay, so what's this way? Whoa! Oh, I need a double jump. Alright, sure, whatever. Oh, fuck. Do I need a double jump here? Sands of Karak. Let's see. No, I need a double jump. There's no way I can cross that. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this area is gated or something like that, unless I can beat that boss and make that climb every time. Ugh, that's annoying. Alright. I'll try him again. I don't know if I'm gonna beat him, to be honest with you. Just make sure. Sands of Karak. Let's see. Yeah, I need double jump then. Alright. Alright, that sucks. And double jump requires me going through some areas in the Citadel, so that's not fun for me. Oh, fuck, I fucked up. Fuck you. Alright, there we go. Let's get up here. Then here, jump this. This guy's gonna come alive, so I'm gonna go this way. Go up here. Actually, not go up here. Oh, fuck you. Jump this. And then jump to here, jump here. It allows me to take these bells. Oh, Jesus. This guy's alive! Oh my god! Okay. And we're gonna want to sprint this, hit this bell, jump here, walk all the way here. No! Oh, I'm fucking dead. Oh god, don't go that way. Alright, that's bad. Okay, yeah, I'm dead. Fuck. Okay. Those steps are so fucking annoying, dude. I got my stuff back now. I didn't really have too many rosaries anyways. I had like 29. Everything else is on a string. Makes my life easy, but at the same time. Come here, buddy. Shit, shit, shit. Okay, we're good. That attack is so fucking annoying. What the hell, bro? Fuck off. Alright. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. Man, I go that way. Ah! No! No, 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 no. Why are you there? Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm so fucked. I'm going back. I'm going back. Fuck this. Okay. Yeah. This is not happening. Alright, you know what? I'm not going this route. I'm going through the other route. Not there. Oh shit, went wrong way. Let's go to Greymoor. Greymoor will take me to Sinner's Road, which is a different way to get into the chest, or the area. Okay. Alright, so let's find Sinner's Road. There's multiple ways to get there from the looks of it. Since to have the cling grip, it'll make my life easier in that case. So let's see. Because if I want to reach the Citadel, I need to go all the way there. Okay, I can't go this way. I can go this way now. Yeah, there's nothing there. How do I get to Sinner's Road? Here's where the birds are. This is the halfway house. Yeah. Halfway home, sorry. Don't want to call it anything whack. Okay, yeah, no problem. Peace. Okay, so how do I get to Sinner's Road? Oops, that's not good. So, at the halfway home... So this is where I am right now. Oops. So I'm at the halfway home. You can go up to a specific part. Take me into somewhere completely different. Okay. I know a Cinder's Row is literally just a fucking parkour mess. So let's see where I can go, actually, and then we'll figure it out from there. So how do I get up top is the question. So I'm here right now. I'm just looking around and seeing what I can do. So halfway home is here. There's this area. I should be able to get on top somehow. Through here? Yeah, that's right. Okay, found it. Oh yeah. Rosary magnet? Shit, shit, shit. Oh god. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's try that again. Oh my fucking god, I'm actually stupid. This new, the new wall jump move makes it so annoying at times to do stuff. Okay, let's just do this. There we go, it's faster. Okay, so what's over here? Okay, thank you. Fucking scissor dude. Oh god. Fuck you, buddy. Alright, so that guy's dead. Okay, so now I'm here. Okay, so this is the arched part here. Okay. Let's kill these fleas. There we go, that guy's dead. Dumbass. And now... what's over in this direction? Oh, hi! Okay, well, there's something here. Alright, spool a thread. What's this? This is the top part of this area. Okay, so... to get to this area, you go in through here. There's just a scissor dude, it's nothing too crazy. They're just a little weirdo. They're just some weirdos, that's all. So if I go up top, avoid these circular saw blades. Now that I have the cling grip, I can jump up here, which will allow me to go through here. Oh boy, there's a big boy. Oh, oh Jesus. Fuck you. Heal myself. Damn it. Ooh, fuck me. I'm just brute forcing him, not gonna lie. Alright, so now we're out here. Which makes me think we can go on the other side now. Yeah, there we go, so some thread. From the looks of it. Oh, elevator. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay, so now this is an elevator. Get up top. Sweet. Okay, cool. Right. Go back in. Man, there's a lot more in Grey Moor than I thought there would be. What the fuck? It's interesting. Okay. Okay, this guy's dead. Oops. Go. Let's jump here. There's a fat ass. This way. Let's collect all those rosaries there. So where even am I fucking going, man? Oh, I think I found the wisp area, which is good. Alright. So this is... might be the wisp thicket or something similar. What the fuck even... where the hell even am I? No map. It's also pretty eerie here, so that's fun. Oh, Sinner's Road. Okay, so that's where I want to go next. So let's save that. I'm not going there yet. Heh, idiot. Fell down. Couldn't be me, bro. Couldn't be me. Alright. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's an interesting... Yeah, there's spikes. Fuck you. Can't even go that way. Great, okay. Let's see what's up here. Oh my god, why are there two of you now? What the fuck? Oh, yeah, it's because I knocked him down, that's right. Alright, let's float over here. No, I fucked up! Oh god. Oh, I'm actually gonna die if I don't heal. Ah, here. So there's a way I can get up there just by jumping around, which isn't too hard to do. There's one. There we go, there's a second one. Oh, there's a thing here. Oh, wow. Okay, I see what you have to do. That's ridiculously hard. Alright. I feel like the best way, honestly, is to just float from here. Okay, maybe not here. Here. Find this balloon. Fuck. Messed up. Maybe I have to go from the topmost point. Because there's definitely an alternate way to get to this area. Okay. Yes! Yes! I made it! Let's go! Fuck you. Alright, what's in here? The harvest. Whatever. Okay, cool. This is some pilgrim shit. Alright. Come here, you stupid idiot. Alright, let's get enough for healing. Okay, so where I am right now is probably... yeah, right here. Oh, no, not here. What the hell even am I? I'm about the halfway home. Okay, so I found the lore tablet, which is interesting. Was there anything else up here that's useful? I took my time to get all the way up here, so might as well be something here. I don't know. Fine, I'll go down and just rest. Fuck it. I know I'm losing like all the shit that I've done previously, but yeah, whatever. Oh god! Why are there birds? Let me rest and get my map updated. Okay. Alright, that's Sinner's Road. Oh, that's where I got up. Okay, it's a different spot. So we have this area to the left. Okay, so let's go that area again, I guess. The elevator, actually. Okay, so when we take the elevator, we go up here. It allows me to go this way. And then I can take this further up. Right? No, let's do this way. Okay, so let's go this way. Ah. Oh, do I need monarch wings for this? Fuck. Okay, I might need a double jump here, honestly. Let's see what's below here. Yeah, I don't think I could get there without some sort of other ability, so I'm gonna leave that alone then. Alright. Alright, let's try Sinner's Road then. Should be a pretty straightforward measure. Come here, buddy. Idiot, you wanna fight? You wanna fight, buddy? Huh? Dumbass. Idiot. Alright, this way, this way. Alright, let's do Sinner's Road. Any enemies here? Yep. Oh boy, what the hell, bro? Let me pogo your dumbass, bro. Oh lord. Holy. Oh, what the? Oh jeez. Okay, well, fuck. That was a little harder than I expected. I didn't think that Sinner's Row would be that sinful. Okay, well, we got a bench. One bench, and that's it. Okay. Sure. Might also call it in a few minutes. Because I'm getting a bit tired and I have to, you know, wake up for tomorrow's stream. But yeah, I want to see what I can do in Sinner's Row. See how much I can attempt. Give me that. Alright. Oops. There we go. Back to Sinners. There's no map. I fucking hate it. Alright, fine. What even is in here, bro? Give me my stuff, give me my stuff! No! What the fuck? Oh god. Oh Jesus. Holy. That's just scary as hell, man. What the fuck are you? What the hell? Why are you doing ninja stars at me? What the fuck? I can just pogo you, though. Idiot. I gotta go up. Oh, gosh. Alright, so I have to go this way, here. Like a pogo. This way. 1, 2, 3, here. I can go up. Pogo here. Dash. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I fucked up. Whoa! Holy shit, there's all the mobs after me! Oh, fuck! Yo, what the fuck is this? Oh. I will fight every fucking single one of you, buddy. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, oh god, oh god, oh god. There we go, there's two. Shit. Let me heal. Oh, you idiot. Okay. Shit. Okay, that guy's dead. And then that's dead. I need one more health. Oh my god. I kind of fucked myself there with the— oh god, why are you here? Okay, I can heal, thank god. Alright. Holy shit, I just got jumped. I mean, to be fair, I just jumped myself, to be honest with you, but whatever. Apples, oranges, you know. Come here. Yeah, that's right. Nice. Okay. Don't you... okay. Alright, shut up. I got moving wrong. Come here, buddy. I took 4 hits. There we go, he's dead. Alright. Can I get up here? No. Okay, so I have to go back down. Okay, maybe not. The lever. There we go. Jeez. Get the fuck out of— oh, god damn it. I got too cocky. Alright. Oh, that cage is sealed. Great, okay. Go this way. Come here. You're so lucky that I can't kill you from— there we go. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Open this gate. Sweet. Okay. Can't do that, so I have to take 2 pogos. I feel like the pogoing kind of makes it easier right now for me. Trapdoor. Okay, we're not gonna handle that. Okay, so I think I am... gates. Okay. I'm just making sure I know where I am. I need to find the bench. What? What the fuck? What is this? Alright, fine, whatever. Oh, bench is here. And shopper is here. Okay, sweet. Oh, oh, what the poison? Oh, fuck no! What the hell? No! Oh. Oh, you're fucking kidding. Oh. I gotta make it to that bench again. I have to... man. Elevator back. Taking the walk of shame. Fuck. Ah, jeez. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, God. Oh, jeez! Yo, wait. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is scary as hell, man. Holy. Okay, get fuck you, man. I know who you are. I'm getting out of here. I need my stuff back. That's how you do it. Set a bench. What? What the hell?
Juanita.
The bench is just broken. Give me the map. Just storing my fucking money. Alright, fine. Something is broken here. I need to fix it. Alright, at least I know where I am right now. So let's see. Oh, hello. Oh shit, my controller's about to die. That's not good. What the fuck is this? Oh, hell no. No! No! Fuck. Shit. So close. 1, 2. I'm dumb. Okay, wait, I need to... Honestly, getting back to here is pretty easy. I need help. That is so evil. That is so fucking evil. I can't even begin to explain how evil that shit is. Oh, I'm dead. Never mind. Shit. Oh, it sucks. Oh my god. I gotta do some stupid ass platforming now, man. Fuck. Oops. Oh, it is way too late to do this much platforming. Holy shit. Alright, let's do it. Let's farm a health. Farm some health. Okay. Go this way. Oh, fuck me. Okay, yeah, no. You know, I could just kill them, but at the same time, I don't feel like that's a good idea. Alright, so I have a heal stored. Okay. Let's go up this wall, and then we need to fix the bench. Oh, fuck off! Bum, bum. No! Fuck! Okay. I'm dumb. I'm so stupid. How do I pogo this, man? Dun. What? How am I not getting on there? Alright. Maybe I need a fourth pogo. I fucked up at a game pogo again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay. This one's as simple as going down. Jesus. No! No! Fuck! Oh, my rosaries are definitely gone now. Fuck! Unless it's somehow nice and put at the beginning. No. That's fine, I'll just farm more. Let's go up. This way. This way. This way. This way. Down. This guy's here. Alright. Let's go back up. That's a trapdoor. Okay, I don't want to go that way. Yes, yeah, I need to make that bench work. It's my number 1 priority right now. Fuck you, shakalaka boy. Alright. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay. Man, I got fucking poison on my thread. I fucked that up. Alright. One, two. I'm dumb. Fuck. 3, 4. Up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. There we go. Got my stuff back. Sweet. Meanwhile, I'm gonna heal. Oh, that breaks the pet. Wow. Okay, that's really fucking scummy up the game. Oh, fuck. Okay, wait, we're good. We're not good. We're not good. We're not good, gang. Fucking hell, I fucked up again. Oh, wait, I could go to the wall. Okay, I know what to do. I have to go on the wall. I don't have to fucking float down. That's just me being dumb. Okay. Okay, I know what I gotta do now. Get out of here. Alright, that's this guy. Okay. Go this way. Uh-oh, that guy's mad. Oh, jeez. Alright, this way. This way. And you bring the bench back. Alright, I distinctly remember there was like a sort of similar bullshit thing with the bench in Hollow Knight 1. Focus. 1. Shit, I fucked that up again. 1. I did it again. What the fuck am I doing? 1, 2. No! Okay, yeah, I lose my rosaries here for sure. Yep, I'm dead. Okay, fair enough. I'm just gonna reset everything. Because, like, this is fucking insane. Thank God I used all my rosaries already. Fuck me. I'm actually trolling right now, and it's actually stupid of me. Okay. Go this way, then we have to go this way. Let's go back up to the bench. Alright. 1, 2, jump. Alright, I got nothing to lose now, at least. Oh, I could have actually just used that. I'm stupid. No! Fuck! There we go. Alright. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, fuck! Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're not good. Let's do this. Okay, I have a heal. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, no, no, no! Okay, it brings me back there. That's fucking annoying. Oh, I'm stupid, I'm stupid! Okay, this way. Slide. Just like that. Okay, that was me being dumb. Alright. But yes, that is how you do it. You have to slide on the wall just like that, and that makes it easier, but... Ah, that's so stupid of me. Okay, one more time, one more time. Try again. Good. Idiot. There we go. Thank you. I just need a hit off of you so I can get some healing. Uh-oh. Oh, he almost got me. Like an idiot. You might not... You're not smart, my good sir. Alright, let's see. One, 2, 3, 4 dash. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash here. Go down. Jeez. Damn it! Fuck that up. Alright. No, 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 I'm fucking stupid. Okay. Down, down, heal. Down, down, dash. All the way down. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, fuck. What's going on here? Okay. Shit. Alright. One, two. What in the actual shit is this? One. Okay. I think the way I approach this is to follow the one on top. Okay, that works too. How in the living fuck do I get up here? Oh god. Okay. I got parasites all over me. Fuck me. Okay, break this. Did I fix it? Yeah, I did. Let's go. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit. What in the actual fuck was that? Oh god, I'm glad that's over. Fuck. Alright, so now that I got a bench, I got a checkpoint at least. Sort of a checkpoint. Alright, what's down here? Oh, fuck you, man. I can't even heal. Uh-oh. Oh, he's, I guess, give me money. I don't know. Okay, at least. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. It's not good. Okay, we're good. Now I gotta unparasite myself. Oh, fuck you. Okay. I'm getting out of here. I'm going to a rest bench. I need my bench. My bench is my safe space. There we go. Oh, fuck. Jeez. Don't you dare. Where do I go? Okay, I can go to the right and I can go up. Let's do that. Oh, man. Could you not, buddy? Thank you. What's over here? Oh, no. Ah. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, pull away. Fucking idiot. Oh, boy. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Hello, rat. Hit me. Yeah, that's right. Take this guy. Dude, why does everything want to kill me here? What the fuck? Oh my god. Can I even get up this way? No, nothing really. Oh no. I think I'm close. Yep. Shit. Okay, maybe going that way wasn't the best idea. Does this even go? Just do a pogo, honestly, that would work. Probably gonna, you know, save that for a different... Uh-oh. The battery's almost dead. I think I need a simple key to let that guy out. Yeah, that's a sleeping dude. Get my shit back before I get ambushed. Oh! Okay, we're good. You bitch. There we go, that guy's dead. Yeah, bro, you guys are angry! What the hell? Why are you all so angry? You need fucking anger management classes, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'm out of this place. Holy. Fuck that. Oh, Jesus. Dumb. There we go. Nope, not bothering with you, buddy. I'm gonna cling onto this bench like it's dear life. Alright. Oh my god. Why the fuck was that so hard? Oh, alright. Heh, you thought, buddy? Come here. Okay, maybe he did think right. Oh, jeez, I'm dumb. Fuck out of here. There we go. There's another one! Okay, yeah, I'm calling it for the night. This is way too overstimulating for me right now. Holy. Alright, yeah, let me rest. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna save. Oh my god. That was something else, dude. Alright, well... I know it's a bit late, but I'm gonna call it for the night. See if we are rateable tonight. Why am I so small? Why am I... What the fuck? Let me fix that. Oh, not that. There we go. Just drag me up there. Very nice. Okay, so let me see if I'm rateable. Which I am. How many people online right now? I mean, that makes sense. The Friday nights and... Let's see. Who can I raid? Who is doing stuff in the software category? Here we got a game dev person. MMO stuff. Fist of the Forgotten Dev. Interesting, interesting. A lot of these are mostly just freaking leak codes, so I'm trying to find something interesting for me. Okay, let's read this one. More bot development. That sounds fun. Let's see if there's a VTuber doing shit. No, not really. Okay, yeah, let's read this guy. Goofball the Cat. It's a pretty cool name. Fuck it. Alright. Ooh, don't do that. Oh god. Goofball the Cat. Am I able to rate him? Let's see. Alright, sweet. Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna call it for here today. It was great talking with you guys tonight. I always enjoyed it. For those who joined, for those who lurked, for those who chatted. Tomorrow we're doing the collab stream with Lev Velcor about psych and AI. So hopefully that's interesting to you. It'll definitely be way more polished for sure compared to today. And I'm probably gonna do more things like this in the future if I feel like, hey, you know what, I just want to do some shit tonight. I'm bored. Might as well do something, you know. But anyways, I'm probably gonna call it for the night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 2:30. Bye-bye.